And states may be allocated additional funds to achieve the objectives, sir, as raw material and movement of people are essential for manufacturing sector to achieve economies of scale. Though goods transport is allowed, sir, there are large obstructions to such movement, as many states have been enforcing stricter measures on migrant labor and such movements. Already my state has suffered heavily as manufacturing has come to a standstill and agriculture is not able to market the producer, as markets across and the retail trade across the country are closed down, and we being net surplus in most of the agricultural commodities are facing the brunt, sir. Sir, we have provided a minimum support price for almost all agricultural produce due to the above situation. And because of such support, our finances are severely affected. And our consumption is limited, sir. The restrictions on interstate transport of goods has to be fully removed by all the states, and a situation has to come, sir, when a truck driver, without fear, should be in a position to travel anywhere with his goods without fear of being detained or quarantined, sir. We may all agree that the economy cannot be revived unless there is free movement of goods, migrant labor, and for this interstate boundaries must erase, sir. Sir, public transport is another sector which is affected unless restrictions on public transport across the states is lifted, sir. Movement of persons for attending to their work will be a major problem. And if it is not allowed, sir, economy will not come back to normalcy. Sir, currently we've seen a situation where migrants are moving back to their original states. But if they don't come back once again to the states where they were earlier working, normalcy could never come back, sir. And for this, the stigma and the fear should go, sir. So sufficient physical distance inside the buses may, however, be maintained. Masks and sanitizers may be made mandatory in public transport. Similarly, sir, shopping centers can also be allowed to function with physical distancing and masks made compulsory, sir. Sir, while framing standard operating procedures, following points may be kept as the central idea, sir. Norms regarding physical distancing, norms regarding usage of masks, personal hygiene, special focus on rural and urban sanitation, sir. So the measures of upgrading our health infrastructure, sir, what I've just spoken about it some time back, sir, will cost us around 16,000 crores of rupees, sir. Being a new state, we would require support of the union government in achieving this objective. But, sir, apart from what you fund, sir, if the union government can support us by way of interest-free or low-interest loans with long-term repayment period, then we can achieve this objective easily, sir. All our hospitals would be upgraded to the national standards from the village level to the teaching hospitals, and we would in turn build 16 more teaching hospitals, what would be the need of the hour, sir. Sir, we would also request that such loans towards health infrastructure, sir, may not be made part of the FRBM limits, so as to give us flexibility in ensuring other sectors do not face such fund crunch, sir. Sir, coming to MSME sector, sir. See, MSME, sir, MSME sectors is one sector, sir. In our state, we have around about 97,000 MSME units, sir, which deploy almost 9,70,000 people. Meaning to say, sir, every unit employs 10 people, sir, approximately. So the hospitals at every tier should also be totally revamped to bring them to national standards, sir. Sir, our health infrastructure at village level should be strengthened in such a way that if any person is having any symptoms, they should be in a position to access the village clinics, get an advice, followed by treatment, sir. Similarly, sir, we need to keep our villages and towns clean, sir. This requires a major pumping of funds to the local bodies to maintain cleanliness and ensure that environment in both urban and rural areas are clean and hygiene. This is very much in line with your ideals, sir, of Swachh Bharat.
Please subscribe to CM Telugu News.
Please subscribe CM Telugu News.
Please subscribe to CM Telugu News.
Please subscribe CM Telugu News.
Please subscribe CM Telugu News channel.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిఎం తెలుగు న్యూస్. ఈ ఛానల్ అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Please subscribe CM Telugu.
Please subscribe to CM TV.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సీఎం తెలుగు న్యూస్ ఛానల్.
CM Telugu News ని తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
నేను మీ సప్తగిరి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సీఎం తెలుగు న్యూస్ ఛానల్.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సీఎం తెలుగు న్యూస్.
Please subscribe CM Telugu News. Thank you.
Please subscribe CM Telugu News.